All right, let me show you how we're gonna now take it all apart. Make sure everything's out. Okay, everything's out. Yep, it's light. Nothing else. Okay, that's done. So, we can now disengage these two connectors. So, here, it's been washed out by the gray water. And you're gonna now connect this here. Got your gloves on. And you're going to connect this here to that. And connect this like so. And there you go. Make it tight and secure. There you go. Okay, and then you're gonna go and wash this off. Take this out, and take this out, stretch this out. You're gonna hose it down using your thing, water. Okay, bye-bye to that. Alrighty, cleaning it up.